guys, today is a due day. Everybody in the community is happy. Today we are claiming our airdrops. And real quick right now, I want to show you how to claim your airdrop if you've not done that. The first thing you need to do is to head up to your Telegram. Go to Telegram and then go to your Battle Bulls. My Battle Bull is loading. I'm about to visit my account on Battle Bulls. So currently, it's loading. Today is just hold on. Today is 16th September, and today everybody got their airdrop. Okay, the airdrop has been released, and now you need to move your airdrop, which is the bull token or bull split, from your Telegram to your smart wallet. Remember, there was a time you were told to download your smart wallet as you exercise on this Battle Bros game. So you were told to download smart wallet. So if you downloaded it and have it set up, the next thing you need to do is to make sure you've set up your profile. Put a username on your profile of your Telegram. If you've not done that, you'll be disallowed to withdraw your airdrop. Okay, so this is the interface of the Battle Boost, and I have right now, just give me a moment. Right now I have 289 on this account. Okay, 289,000 M per hour. So I need to withdraw it right now. Okay, so I've done every other thing. So what I need to do now is to go to my smart wallet to collect my address. You need to withdraw it from, look at what they wrote here. Let me show you real quick. See, it said enter smart wallet address. So I need to go get it. I've already copied it, but because of this meeting, give me a second. It's loading up. My smart wallet is loading. Just give me a second. All right, it's opened already. So I need to quickly tap on this place. Tap on smart. Tap on that interface and copy my address. I copy my wallet address by tapping here. Tap here and copy it. Then click on copy address at the bottom. So I've copied it and move over to my Battle Boost again. All right, let it load up right now. Just hold on for my account to load up again. So the next thing, as soon as it loads up, the next thing is to tap on airdrop. You tap on airdrop at the bottom right here. Tap on airdrop, boom. Then that address I copied, I'm gonna have to paste it where in designated place, which is this point. I'm gonna paste it there by pressing and pasting. I pasted the address and then tap on tick airdrop. Tick airdrop, the orange color button, tick airdrop. Okay. Now they've shown me how much airdrop or bull token or bull split that I'm getting, which is this one. This is how much I'm to receive from this amount. Okay. 0.0289. So I'm okay with that. I now need to check the button here. Check this button, the terms and condition button. Boom. Click on confirm. Success. So the airdrop has been sent. Now I will see it on my what's it called? Smart wallet. I'll see it on my smart wallet. So I'll head over to the smart wallet again. Give me a second. Give me a second. Smart wallet is loading. All right, it's opened. I'm gonna head over to the bull split. The bull split is here. This is it here at the bottom, and this is the amount. This is the amount that I transferred, right? So I tap on it. I want to now freeze it because the next step is to freeze it for you to begin to use it to earn Ultima immediately, which is the currency of the community that pays you, that is convertible to USDT. I need to tap on the bull split, tap on the bull split, and then tap on this icon here, this fan icon. I tap on it to be able to freeze. So I tap on it. Now, before you do all of this, for this freezing to work, you must have some smart coin, at least $10 worth of smart coin. Put it on your smart wallet for you to be able to freeze your smart. It's an advice. Go get your smart coin, transfer it to your smart wallet on this account, and then once your split is here, you'll be able to freeze. Without which you cannot freeze it, right? Because they charge some fees on smart coin, the transaction fees. Now I need to click on freeze. Click on freeze. Sorry, tap on freeze. And then tap on maximum because I want to freeze everything. Tap on max. Just hold on. Freezing up, confirm. Tap on freeze again. And put in your PIN again to confirm your transaction. Success. You successfully frozen. So now I have frozen it every 24 hours. See, it has left the account balance section. It has left here. It has left here. Right now, it's now here. It's frozen, right? Now, while it's frozen, every 24 hours, I'll be receiving Ultima. Ultima is a full-fledged cryptocurrency of the community that is convertible to USDT, all right? All right, so what next? Let me show you how to claim your reward. You tap on splitting. From the interface, you tap on bull split and then tap on splitting. Splitting is this one. Tap on splitting button. Once you tap on splitting, it shows you your daily reward. Right now, anybody that has one full bull split will earn 700 and let me show you here. One full bull split will earn $974. But now this is my own split here. This is my own split. This is the total amount of split that has been frozen. The total amount of split globally that has been frozen. This is what everybody will earn every 24 hours. 5 Ultima shared among all split holders every 24 hours. At the end of 24 hours, it will display my estimated reward here. My estimated reward here, which means my own accrued income based on the number of split I have, it will show there, right? So if you scroll down, you see it's counting down already. In the next 24 hours, I'll be able to claim Ultima, and that Ultima I can convert it to dollars, and then it will be real money, right? So guys, that is how it works. So keep tapping. The tapping has not ended, even though the airdrop has been done. Keep tapping, increase your tapping, increase your M per hour, which you can now withdraw anytime through your smart wallet and freeze. Now don't forget, this bull split will also be listed on the exchange. The bull token will be listed on the exchange, on the marketplaces from November 1st, where you can convert it to dollar directly instead of using it as passive income to earn Ultima. You can convert the bull split itself or bull token itself to dollars, to USDT directly on the exchange the moment it's listed on the exchange from November 1st, 2024. This is your friend and brother, Lucky Matthew. Bye-bye for now.